Hello everyone, this is Mr. Olson. Today I'm going to go over the chamfer tool that is located up here in the ribbon. Now the chamfer is a nice tool that applies a bevel to one or more of the component edges. And so there are purposes for chamfers. One of the purposes is just to actually make your edges look nicer. Okay, so if I click on chamfer, you're going to notice I have a 5x5x5 cube. Alright, this is going to be the distance of the chamfer. Okay, so if I go ahead and I click on those edges, you're going to see that it's going to create a chamfer 0.125 inches. And I can click on multiple edges, and that will actually chamfer all of the edges for me. You'll notice it even comes to a nice point here on the corners. Now, if that's not enough, I can always increase my chamfer. I can always change it to a higher amount. So this is 0.5. So see, it's starting to take more and more away as I increase those numbers up. So there isn't really a limit to it until you get to a point where it's so big that it's going to run past each other, and then you're going to run into that error message. So if I look around for a high amount, so 2, maybe 2.5, you can see what it's doing as I create a bigger and bigger chamfer. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at 0.25, which is a pretty common size for a chamfer, and I'm going to hit OK, and there you have chamfered edges.